Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're talking about keeping the money you already have. Most people don't realize that banks are businesses, and like any business, they're trying to make money off of you. But the good news is, you can use their system to your advantage, legally and ethically, to save money and maximize your financial well-being. You work hard for your money, it's time to make it work harder for you. We're talking about simple changes that can save you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in fees and interest over time. So if you're ready to take control of your finances and stop letting the banks take advantage of you, then stick around. I'm about to share with you my top 10 legal banking hacks that will have you saving money like a pro. Why are you giving your hard-earned money to a bank that charges you just to keep it there? Monthly maintenance fees, ATM fees, inactivity fees, it's ridiculous. Switch to a no-fee bank. There are tons of online banks and credit unions out there that don't charge any monthly fees at all. These banks often offer higher interest rates on savings accounts compared to traditional brick-and-mortar banks. Even if it's just a few dollars a month, those fees can add up to hundreds of dollars over the years. Do your research and find a no-fee bank that fits your needs. Trust me, your wallet will thank you later. Saving money can be a chore. But what if I told you there's a way to automate this process and make saving completely effortless? Most banks allow you to set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. The key is to make it automatic, so you don't even have to think about it. By automating your savings, you're essentially tricking yourself into saving more money without even realizing it. Who doesn't love free money? Take advantage of sign-up bonuses. Many banks, especially online banks, offer cash bonuses just for opening a new checking or savings account. There are usually a few conditions you need to meet to get the bonus, like depositing a certain amount of money within a specific time frame, or making a certain number of debit card purchases. These requirements are usually pretty easy to meet. Once you do, that free money is all yours. It's like getting paid to switch banks. Budgeting. The word alone sounds about as fun as a root canal, but here's the deal. If you want to take control of your finances, you need to know where your money is going. Many banks offer built-in budgeting tools within their online banking platforms or apps. These tools can track your spending, categorize your transactions, and even help you set up a budget that works for you. Imagine this. You open up your banking app and boom! You can see exactly how much you've spent in different categories like groceries, transportation, and entertainment. No more guessing where your money went. By visualizing your spending habits, you can identify areas where you might be overspending and make adjustments accordingly. Knowledge is power, people, and knowing where your money is going is the first step to making it work harder for you. We live in a world of instant notifications. So why not use that to your advantage when it comes to your finances? Most banks offer free text or email alerts that can notify you about important account activity. You can set up alerts for low balances, upcoming bill payments, and large transactions. It's like having a personal finance assistant in your pocket, looking out for you and your money 24/7. Nobody's perfect, and sometimes, despite our best efforts, we might slip up and get hit with a bank fee. But here's the thing, those fees are not always set in stone. Banks are businesses, and like any business, they want to keep their customers happy. So, if you do incur a fee, don't be afraid to pick up the phone and negotiate. Call your bank, politely explain the situation, and ask if they would be willing to waive the fee. You'd be surprised how often this works, especially if you have a good history with the bank. Remember, the squeaky wheel gets the grease, so speak up and ask. You might just save yourself some money. Let's talk credit cards, because if you're using them correctly, they can be a powerful tool for saving money and even earning some extra cash. The key is to use credit cards strategically and responsibly. Look for cards that offer cashback rewards, travel points, or other perks that align with your spending habits. For example, if you're a big traveler, get a card that gives you miles or points that you can redeem for flights and hotels. If you're more of a homebody, get a card that offers cash back on groceries and gas. You absolutely have to pay off your balance in full and on time every single month. Use them responsibly and you can reap the rewards. Your credit score is like your financial GPA. It's a 3-digit number that tells lenders how risky it is to lend you money. The higher your score, the better interest rates and loan terms you'll qualify for. Many banks now offer free credit score monitoring as part of their online banking services. Knowing your credit score is crucial because it can impact everything from getting approved for a mortgage to renting an apartment to even getting a job. If your score is lower than you'd like, there are things you can do to improve it, like paying your bills on time, keeping your credit utilization low, and not applying for too much credit at once. Let's talk about making your money work for you, because sitting in a traditional savings account earning next to nothing is just not going to cut it. Explore high-interest savings accounts. These accounts are offered by online banks and credit unions, and they typically offer much higher interest rates than traditional brick-and-mortar banks. Even a small difference in interest rates can add up to a significant amount of money over time, especially when you factor in the power of compound interest. Compound interest is essentially earning interest on your interest, and it's how your money can grow exponentially over time. We live in a digital age, so why are we still driving to the bank to deposit checks? Most banks now offer mobile deposit, which allows you to deposit checks using your smartphone or tablet. You simply take a picture of your check using your bank's app, enter the amount, and voila! The money is deposited into your account. No more wasting time driving to the bank, waiting in line, or dealing with deposit slips. You can deposit checks anytime, anywhere, 24/7. Ditch the drive-through and embrace the convenience of mobile deposit. So, there you have it, my top 10 legal banking hacks to save money and manage your finances like a pro. By implementing these simple tips, you can take control of your finances, avoid unnecessary fees, and even earn some extra cash along the way. It's all about making small changes that can have a big impact on your financial well-being. If you enjoyed these tips, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more financial advice and money-saving strategies. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay financially savvy.